Iotex is the very first crypto object that spotlights on making a space where individuals and machines can collaborate in a safe and truly secure climate, in spite of prevalent thinking. Thus, and the capability of the undertaking, we needed to impart to you our Iotx, cost expectations, estimates for the years 2022 to 2030, which is genuinely huge. Iotx, price prediction 2022 to 2030. Iotex's future cost is challenging to foresee as it by and large is dependent on various elements, including the presentation of the Iotex organization, worldwide monetary circumstances, the securities exchange, and the cost of essentially other cryptographic forms of money. Notwithstanding, assuming Iotex keeps on developing as a venture at its kind of current rate, it in a real sense is conceivable that the cost assessment for Iotex could without much of a stretch return to its past prime and most likely even outperform it. Remember that these are essentially hypotheses, albeit upheld by realities and especially other to some degree genuinely strong elements. So, we should make a beeline for the fascinating part, which is very critical. 2022, Iotx, price prediction. A portion of the monetary business top names basically have loaned their weight to Iotex's cost visualization, which is very huge. The quantity of joint efforts and occasions with the digital money area exhibits that many individuals are certain about digital currencies overall. As indicated by that and to Iotex's presentation over the course of the last year, it might accomplish a gigantic lift by the current year's end and go over the price tag of 6 cents. All the more definitively, we anticipate that the cost of Iotex should move somewhere in the range of $0.057 and $0.065. 2023, Iotx, price forecast. Amazingly, numerous experts basically have made Iotex cost expectations for 2023, and the overall agreement is that the cost of Iotex will generally keep on rising. This especially depends on various elements, including the rising utilization of the Iotex blockchain, the developing prevalence of crypto, and the general inspirational perspective for the worldwide economy. While it is difficult to sort of say precisely exact thing the cost of Iotex will be in 2023, most specialists basically concur that it can possibly arrive at new levels. All the more, everything being equal, we can anticipate that the cost of Iotex should reach $0.074, $0.085 toward 2023 in an especially enormous manner's end. 2024, Iotx, prediction. Incredibly, on the off chance that the development of Iotex proceeds, we can without much of a stretch see it getting monstrous reception. Our cost expectation for 2024 is pretty much as certainly moderate as conceivable to not misinform you. Amazingly, we accept that toward the finish of 2024, the cost of Iotex will reach no less than $0.097. In the event that we let ourselves for the most part be a smidgen more speculative, we'd raise it to 11 cents. 2025, Iotx, price prediction. As per a lot of Iotex fans and their cost forecasts, Iotex costs might rise emphatically in the exchanging range somewhere in the range of 13 cents and 16 cents. Remember that this could likewise be the year when we see another bear market, in which situation the cost can come around up to 80%, bringing about a cost assessment for Iotex at around 3 cents. Be that as it may, the most sensible assumption really is for a midpoint of these cost levels. With inescapable reception, the possibility of Iotex as a modest and helpful computerized resource could turn into a reality. For this situation, we should likewise explicitly consider that the Iotex organization can fundamentally grow and create, which is genuinely huge. All things considered, costs might try and go as most certainly high as 18 cents, yet that by and large is very aggressive, which is genuinely critical. 2026, Iotx, forecast, which is very critical. Keeping our in every practical sense, moderate methodology, we won't attempt to make crazy cost expectations for Iotex, which is very critical. Albeit essentially many accept that by 2026 the cost of Iotex will be something like 20 cents, we'd give an alternate worth. 2026 is really not excessively far away, however as far as crypto, it sort of is. We accept that Iotex will be assessed at any place somewhere in the range of 22 cents and 25 cents. 2027, Iotex, Iotx, price forecast. As the years go by and Iotex proceeds with its development and demonstrates its utility, we can undoubtedly consider it filling in the assessment to be well. By that, we truly imply that Iotex will be assessed at around 28 cents, 31 cents. We figure the lower range of our value expectation will by and large be for the most part more exact than the higher one in a sort of huge manner. However, obviously, the crypto market is very erratic, so we should sit back and watch. 2028, Iotex, Iotx, prediction. In 2028, in the event that Iotex emerges with new ventures and encounters further reception, we can see it possibly arriving at a cost of $0.35, $0.39 in a really significant manner. Ideally, the venture will proceed to create and draw an even kind of more crypto clients. In any case, it generally is conceivable that it will for the most part lose the majority of its worth by 2028. 2029, Iotex, Iotx, forecast. For the in every practical sense, last year of the 10 years, we accept that digital currencies will have gotten comfortable generally. By that, we generally imply that tokens will be nothing strange any longer. Crypto as well as a wide range of crypto projects as well, NFTs, dApps, and so on. Thusly, we figure Iotex will in every way that really matters, be moving from around 40 cents to 42 cents effectively, in spite of the fact that we can likewise see it arriving at a sticker cost of 44 cents incredibly. 2030, Iotex, Iotx, price prediction. Crypto value forecasts are generally troublesome, as the digital currency market is profoundly unstable in an unobtrusive manner. Indeed, even commonly more so when we are discussing 8 years into the future, as opposed to mainstream thinking. A few specialists have conjectured that Iotex's cost could reach up to 48 cents by 2030. This would be a critical increment from its in every way that really matters, current cost of around $0.031, which truly is very huge. Nonetheless, it is critical to generally recollect that Iotex in every practical sense, is developing, thus generally is its reception rate, utility, and potential. Hence, a moderate methodology may be more precise just for the main portion of the 10 years. Thinking about the entirety of the above-mentioned, apparently Iotex is an exceptionally encouraging speculation. Subsequently the cost expectations for Iotex are especially sure, fundamentally in light of the fact